for the alcohol in our chapter we see the preparations. First about the alcohol. Alcohol is prepared by following different methods. First is from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide, that is RX. When any alkyl halide is treated with aqueous KOH, it gives the formation of corresponding alcohol. For example, when methyl chloride is treated with aqueous KOH, it gives the formation of methanol or methyl alcohol. Here, take aqueous KOH, not alcoholic. If we take the alcoholic KOH, it will be formed alkane. We want to prepare alcohol, so we compulsory take the aqueous KOH. By this process, we prepare three different type of the alcohols, that is primary, secondary or tertiary. This is the second method for preparation of alcohol, that is by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Hydration means addition of H2O. Acid catalyzed means acid as in catalyst. For example, this reaction for the alkene. Here acid used H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Acid, catalyst acid is H2SO4. It fragment as H plus OSO3H minus. How the reaction takes place? This H attaches to CH2, this group attaches to COH. This is a symmetrical alkene, so attach H either here or either here. The product will be the same because it is a symmetrical alkene. There is no M rule, Markovnikov's rule. So when we H2SO4 add into an alkene, it forms an intermediate, that is adduct. Name is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This intermediate in second step, when hydrated means water is added, then it forms the primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol or ethanol. And here H2SO4 which we used is regenerated. We again use this H2SO4 for the continue process. If we take the unsymmetrical alkene such as 1-propene or prop-1-ene treated with H2SO4, it forms isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Now here addition is take place according to the Markovnikov's rule, because this is an unsymmetrical alkene, this is unsymmetrical reagent. The negative part of reagent, this is OSO3H minus, attaches to that carbon containing less number of hydrogen, while H plus ultimately attaches to this CH2 group. CH2 becomes CH3, this hydrogen sulfate attached here form intermediate isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Adduct, which on hydration in second step gives isopropyl alcohol. Here this bond with water, how added? Water fragmentation is H plus OH minus. So H2 SO4 is removed and CH3, CH, CH3 to this C OH attached, means it forms the secondary alcohol. Now when we take 2-methyl propene, this is 2-methyl propene, and same process followed up, it gives the formation of tertiary alcohol. This reaction we write two steps, here also with two steps. The combination of this two-step reaction is like this, one step, direct one one-step reaction. Instead of writing this two-step, we also write this. Just 2-methyl-propene on hydration H3O plus. H3O plus means H2O is real added and 1 H plus, that is H plus from this acid. Acid UH plus, no, that catalyzes and give the formation of tertiary butyl alcohol. This is a tertiary. So all these three type of the alcohol is prepared by this method. Next, hydroboration. That is oxidation of alkene. This is alkene, 6 molecule 10. Hydroboration means add a diborane B2S6. Catalyst THF, tetrahydroquinone as a solvent. Form a trialkyl borane as an intermediate. Treated with hydrogen peroxide, form the alcohol. Example, ethene, addition of diborane in presence of tetrahydroquinone solvent, form intermediate. Ethyl, this is a triethyl borane, and treating with H2O2 in presence of NaOH, it gives the formation of ethyl alcohol. The main point of this hydroboration method, it only prepares the primary alcohols. Next, D method, by reduction of carbonyl compound. What is the meaning of carbonyl compound? Those compounds contain the presence of CO group, C double bond O. This is known as carbonyl compound. Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid contain carbonyl group. Now when we take aldehyde such as acetaldehyde reduced by nickel or palladium and lithium aluminum hydride, out of this any one catalyst. On reduction, acetaldehyde gives ethyl alcohol as a primary. If we change this CH3 group by higher alkyl group, for example ethyl, propene, it gives the corresponding alcohol, but all these alcohols are primary alcohol. When we take the ketone, same reducing agent, it forms the corresponding alcohol. That alcohol is a secondary alcohol. When we take the acetone, it forms isopropyl alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. Any higher ketone, same on reduction gives the secondary alcohol. So this reaction indicates that aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol, ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. The typical characteristic of lithium aluminum hydride is that when this catalyst is used for the reduction, only aldehydic and ketonic containing double bond get reduced, not for the alkene. Alkene containing double bond is not reduced by this, only for aldehyde and ketone. This is the important point. Next method, E method, by reduction of carboxylic acid. This is the general formula of carboxylic acid. This is the catalyst, followed by hydrolysis, use the corresponding acid. This is acetic acid, followed by reduction hydrolysis, use the formation of acetic acid. This lithium aluminum hydride is an expensive, costly reagent. So what we do? Another method, that first this carboxylic acid is reacted with alcohol, form ester, and that ester. In the second method, by reduction, do the formation of required alcohol. Next, by addition of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is RMgX. R alkyl group, Mg magnesium, divalent metal, X is halogen atom, any halogen take except W. This is any carbonyl compound containing C double bond O, either aldehyde or ketone. This is the general Grignard reagent. Catalyst must be dry. In this reaction, MgX attached to O and R alkyl group attaches to the carbonyl carbon, forming intermediate when water is added into this form corresponding. How this water is added? Here bond break, take H plus and we take OH minus. So we converted into alcohol. This MgX, what is the byproduct? Mg here, X here, this OH. This is alcohol formation take place. Now remember a very important point. When we take formaldehyde, any Grignard reagent, catalyst a dry ether, give intermediate, when we add the water, it gives the alcohol, it must be primary. When we take aldehyde other than formaldehyde, such as acetaldehyde, then followed by reaction Grignard reagent for the intermediate, which on addition of water gives alcohol, it must be secondary alcohol. When we take the ketone, example is this is acetone, added Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium iodide, dry ether catalyst for the intermediate. The same principle MgI attachment O, alkyl group attached carbonyl carbon. This intermediate on addition of water form a tertiary alcohol. So this point is very important for quick revision for the MCQ. Formaldehyde compulsory use primary, aldehyde other than formaldehyde use secondary, ketone use the tertiary. How we quick remember the name of the corresponding alcohol? Identify the alkyl group. Which alkyl groups are there? Here methyl group is there, here one carbon is there, two carbon that is there, two carbon atom is there. So this alcohol is there, ethyl alcohol. This alcohol is there, this CH3 attaches to this carbon, MgBr attaches to O. So it forms ethyl alcohol as the primary. Here two carbon, this four carbon atom secondary alcohol. This is the name is secondary butyl alcohol. Why butyl? 2, 3, 4. OH attached to secondary carbon. Now for the ketone, here 3 carbon, here 1, that is the 4. 4 is a tertiary. So methyl group 1 here from Gr. And 3 carbon atom, this is remains as it is in alcohol. CH3, CH3. And this Grignard reagent containing alkyl group here. So easily give the name of corresponding alcohol. This is a tertiary alcohol. So all these are the preparation methods.